Four seconds on the tour last year, headed 2015 ranked 19 in the world, winning his first tour title, Båstad in Sweden, runner-up in Tokyo, currently ranked at number 39 for France, Benoit Paire. And how does one introduce the man at the roll box end? A man who's won 89 career singles titles, 8 doubles titles. Of course, last month won his 18th Grand Slam title. Some 4.5 years after winning his 17th Wimbledon in 2012. He's been top of the world rankings for longer than anybody else. His career prize money as a result of that win in Australia passed $100 million. That's US dollars. He's making his 13th trip here to Dubai. He's won 47 matches in our championships. The champion in 2003, 4, 5, 7, 12, 14 and 15. Boy, he was missing last year when he was injured. He took 6 months off after Wimbledon to get over a knee problem. Came back. His first tournament won the Australian Open. The greatest player of all time, Roger Federer.